sit in a comfortable position and just begin to relax. Wonderful. Just notice your normal, natural breathing. And remember a time when you are deeply relaxed, so that your mind and body relaxes as deeply and even deeper in that. Wonderful. Just continue to relax and notice your breath. And now take your attention to your heart chakra. Imagine that you're drawing energy from the universe into all your chakras. You're also drawing energy from the earth into your chakras. Positive energies of the universe are entering your chakras and cleansing them, energizing them, balancing them. Wonderful. As you bring your attention to your heart chakra, you can realize that it is expanding. Energy is entering through the crown chakra, and through other chakras, it is going all parts of the body. The heart chakra, the energy is going out as love and compassion. There is a light ball of energy at all the chakras, and at the heart chakra, it is in the form of a green ball of energy. As you inhale and exhale, and as the energy continues to flow into your heart chakra, this ball of energy is becoming bigger and brighter. You can feel the expansion of the heart chakra. You have unconditional love and compassion for everyone. You're radiating love and compassion through your heart chakra. Just repeat these heart chakra affirmations after me. I love myself unconditionally. I give love to others unconditionally. I'm full of love, joy, and compassion. I am free from the past. I can understand my emotions. I can accept my emotions. I have completely forgiven others. I have also forgiven myself completely. I am open to receive more and more love. I give love freely. My heart chakra is open. I am healthy and happy. I create a supportive, loving, and friendly relationship with everyone. Just feel the flow of energy. Feel the glow of the heart chakra. Feel the glow of the green ball of energy. The positive energies of the universe have completely healed all your chakras, balanced all your chakras, energized all your chakras, Express your gratitude toward these energies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With a grateful heart, knowing that you're going to have an amazing day, slowly open your eyes, feeling fine, feeling refreshed, feeling re energized, feeling wonderful.
Visit nalandawellness.com and check out our upcoming spiritual courses and retreats.